All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. 48 hours, son. 48 hours. Okay. So the highlight of this device is the cover display. Simply put, this is what it is. So I've had this device for 3 days now, going on 3 days. This is the third day, but I'm still going to call it 48 hours completed. So a few things to cover in this video. This phone is kind of like the one that more people should be paying attention to because Samsung finally got pushed to the limit messing with Motorola. Now, Motorola pushed out their version of this, and it is absolutely great. I have not picked it up yet. I do plan on picking it up. Stay locked for that. But this device right here, I have it set to 10-second timeout. This device is fire. The front display is where it's at, folks. This is the reason that I would tell a person mainly to upgrade from any other version of this device. So you can set these up. You can have everything set like this. You pinch to get to your widgets. Now there are some questions about whether or not, it's limited. You're going to have to install Good Lock. You have to install Good Lock in order to get more apps and things on here. But honestly, for me, maps and messages, that's where it's set. Only thing I would add to this is email. It's the only thing I would add, because messages, you get the full keyboard. Now, let me open up this keyboard here and create a message and show you one thing I think is kind of sad that you cannot do. Here we go. So this is Samsung's keyboard, and I don't use this keyboard. I actually use the Google keyboard. And Google's keyboard right now, unless you figured it out, let me know. I'm not an expert. I don't claim to be the magic man and I just know everything. I want Google's keyboard out here, but unfortunately right now, I cannot. Now, maybe if I install Good Lock or do some kind of special trick, I can get it on there, but as of now, I cannot. I cannot get Google's keyboard on here. So it's not a bad thing. It's just, I would want it to just happen easily. But let's get out here. Having messages on here and maps is fire. On YouTube also. I don't watch YouTube on the front screen, but yeah. So I got this set up with steps, and then my messages, and then a few contacts there that I wanted some people I need to get in contact quickly. But you just pinch and get into everything, and this is a good look, man. I just think the cover display is the biggest selling point of this device at this point in the game. There's really no other reason for a person to switch from the 4 to the 5 if you just want the color display and some different colors. I got the green one, remember, for her, and the blue one for me. If you just want different colors, okay, cool. There's more than just these exclusive colors, but I think the exclusive colors are the way you should go. If you ask me, I'm going to recommend the exclusive colors because it has the flat matte sides on it. It's, not the bright brushed stainless steel aluminum look, but I just like this look better. It's more clean, more subtle. I mean, it's more sleek. It really looks good. The hinge is perfect. I mean, everything is just great on here, man. So the cover display is where it's at. Now, once you get out of the cover display, you just have you have the same phones from before, to be honest. I mean, you've got the same phones performing at the same level. It's really good. That's not a bad thing. That's a good thing. So that's why I say, the cover display is where it's at, man. Now, if you want to add your own, like, see, I have that picture there. You have to add new, and then you have to put the picture with it, and then you can determine how you want to set it up. It's really, really sleek. I'll set it to 15 seconds. It's really, really quick. It's nothing major to do. Just hit add. It'll go into your phone. You can pick a picture or whatever you want to put on there. I just picked a picture of my Corvette and just put the time up there, and that's it. But you can add a bunch of different things. And they also have all these stock right. This one is actually pretty fire right here because it's got the battery, the time, the date. It's got a lot on here. So this is how it is when you want to manage them. You can delete them. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why you will remove them, the stock ones, but I'll change to this one right here. And you see here, you can change colors. This is how you manage them. You can change all of this how you want to do it. See how I'm doing this? Yeah, you can cancel. You can do all these different. You can set it up how you want to set it up. Whatever you want to do, that's how you can do it. but it's the cover display is just the hotness. So after that, you can choose the widgets that you want to choose. I just chose most of them. I turned off some of them, but my daily activity isn't on. Okay, so that's a good one. Okay, so I didn't see the daily activity at the bottom, so now I'm going to hit reorder. I'm going to move the daily activity up to the top because I think that's important to me. Daily activity is important to me. So now the daily activity is at the top, and I'll show you that in just a second, but these are all the widgets that are available. And again, there might be people that say, oh, it's limited. So you have to install Good Lock in order to get more out of the cover display. You do it how you want to do it. I'm just going to leave it as is like this for now. I don't want to install anything else to make it work, especially not when I'm in my beginning phases of reviewing the device. I want to use it as is, the way it comes, and see if it's actually limited. Because a lot of people, a lot of times with everything that comes out, somebody heard somebody else say it. They don't even have the phone. They just heard someone else say it, and then they start promoting that narrative. That's just the norm, folks. Yeah, that's just how it is. So you have to deal with that as part of doing this thing. But other than that, man, the cover display again, it's just like the main thing. It's hot. It's what makes this phone what it is. So now my daily activity is right here, which I don't know. I didn't see that before, but yeah, daily activity is good. There you go. Yeah. So today is the 9th. You can see on the 8th, I was a little bit more active. This was the day I first got it, so I was sitting down a lot, playing with it all day. And then yesterday was really active. Today, I'm just getting started. So that's it, man. I mean, in order to change also from this screen, you can remember I told you I swipe through and change to that one. That's how you do it. It's very simple. And this is actually a very intuitive one right here. I would just rather put something else right here, change that picture out, you know what I'm saying? And all of these are pretty cool, You know what I'm saying? It's different. Oh, that's a little demonic right there. It's a little demonic. You slipping, Samsung. Get that off of there. A little demonic. Try to squeeze that one in there. But yeah, this is what it's offering. Pretty fire. It's a little active joint right here. It's always something that you find with the small things that should have been there a long time ago. That's the unfortunate part. That's the unfortunate part. A lot of times these phones come out and they should have been a certain way from the jump, but the companies want to squeeze that cash. They want to get that money. Demonic all day, like certain words, son. That's demonic. But yeah, back to the C8. You know what I'm saying? Something simple for me. I don't want to have something moving on the front screen because that's just going to affect battery life. So up to you to determine how you want to do it. You can install Good Lock. I think I got Good Lock, but I just didn't even mess with it. Because I think I transfer from the... No, I don't have Good Lock on here. I don't have Good Lock on here. No, I don't. I don't think I do. No, I don't have it on here. But if you want to get it, you just go into the Samsung store and download it, the Samsung App Store. Right here. All right, you can type in Good Lock. Oops. Good Lock. And then you just go ahead and install it. And when you install Good Lock, it is going to give you options within Good Lock. It'll bring you back to install more stuff. So we're going to go ahead and open it up real quick and redesign your Galaxy. All right, so these are the different things you can do here. It's got themes. It's got all these different things. I think one of them on here is the main one you need to. I think Home Up. Home Up might be the one where I've used before, and it gives you more access to everything. Oh shoot! Let's go back into Good Lock. Open it up. Yeah. I think Home Lock is the one. This one's customize your status bar. Yeah. Create navigation bar. He said, yeah, Home Lock might be the one where you really get to customize. And here's one where you can customize your lock screen as well. Lock Star. So we'll go ahead and install that. I'm not going to go into a tutorial on how to use Good Lock, but I can tell you that if you feel like this display is limited, install Good Lock and have a good time playing with your phone. You know what I mean? But for me, I'm a hold fast right here until I've used it for a little bit. I don't want to start doing tutorials on Good Lock because I want you to experience the device itself, because there's a lot of people out there that are just not tech savvy like that. They don't care about Good Lock and they're just gonna use it as is. They're not worried about, oh my God, I'm limited on the widgets. They're not worried about something like that. This is cool with them. This is good. Let me play a video real brief though. Let me see if I can open up a video. Let me see here. Without any copyright, here's Will's video. Okay, volume's down.
Unboxing the Samsung
Ooh,
Galaxy
my
Tab.
man. Look at that 5 up there.
I picked up the smaller version of this for several reasons, and I'll get into that in the video. They made some great improvements on this. So I got this from Samsung. I got it for $417.
Woo.
I traded in an old Samsung Galaxy Tab SE.
I gotta check that video out ASAP. But this is what it looks like when you watching a video on the front display. It's super clear to me. I mean, I think it looks good. It's fire like that. So shout out to Will Gadgets and More. I don't get no copyright from him. He gonna write me up. He's like, yo, Jay, you stole my video, son. Nah, he wouldn't do that. Nah, but for real though, this is dope. Oh, you swipe back over, it's right back to where it was at. This is dope though. I've never played a video on here because I'm 48 hours in, so I'm still kind of messing with it, playing with it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm feeling this, man. This is hot. This is fire. I think if you're in the market for this device and you have any of the previous generations, that is the main reason that you will want to update. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Shout out to Will's Gadgets and More. Go check that video out on his channel right now.